Okay, today we're working on a Kawasaki Mule. It's the SX, and what we had was the you turn the key and the starter would just whine, and nothing else would happen. I'm not buying a whole new starter. I just bought another solenoid. Found it online through eBay, and it's basically the same solenoid Denso as the actual starter. So this is the original starter, and I just went and added a solenoid. They just bolt right on. So we'll see if this fixes it. It's a real easy unbolt, coming right out. Flywheel looks good, so it's pretty much betting on the solenoid as being the issue. I did have to unbolt the gear select, and that's a 14 millimeter, just enough to back it up so I can slide out the starter. But it just slides right back in there. 2 bolts, one there and at the top. Those are 12s, and should bolt right back in. Wire harness, it's flexible, so you can just unwrap the wire harness, and we'll pop it in, and I'll give you a video if everything's working right. For the 2 bolts on the starter, for the bottom one, I'm able to slide in right in the bottom here through the side, and with a small socket, able to get that one tightened up. So like I said, it's pretty easy to get in there. The only thing I had to disconnect was the gear select, and this is a 18 low miles, so I'm pretty annoyed that the solenoid went out, but you know, it is started a lot constantly. It's just short little trips, but I'll take a video and get up and running. Okay, so battery's connected back up. If you're wondering what the extra wire on here, I added in a quick charge for the battery. Makes it a lot easier for charging up. Starter's back in, again bolted right up there in the top, so no issues. So let's see if we got to start. All right, so you heard the first sound, so that was to charge the battery, if you're getting that sound. It's just not enough volts to engage the full starter. So now we're up and running. So it was a solenoid and then a battery charge, and now we're good.